Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Poco X3 NFC versus the Infinix Zero 8i. And guys, the Infinix Zero 8i give you a MediaTek Helio G92 chipset with the 8 GB of RAM on the Infinix Zero 8i. And also we have a Snapdragon 732G chipset on the new Poco X3 NFC with a 6 GB of RAM. And guys, on the back we got the quad cameras on the back on both these two devices, but I have to say the camera performance it is much better on the Poco X3 NFC. And also this phone it is a little bit expensive phone than the Infinix Zero 8i, especially in Pakistan market. So I want to see how much a difference between the Poco X3 NFC compared to the Infinix Zero 8i. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. And guys, now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And you can see on the logo it is a little bit more faster on the Infinix Zero 8i, followed by the Poco X3 NFC. Let's see who is going to be the fastest one. And you can see on the Infinix Zero 8i it is a little bit faster when it comes to booting up, while the Poco X3 NFC now it is also done. And you can see about 1 or 2 second difference there between these two devices. And guys, you can see that both phones give you a very different display. We have a full HD IPS LCD display on both these two devices, but we have a 90Hz refresh rate display on the Infinix Zero 8i compared to a 120Hz refresh rate display on the Poco X3 NFC. And guys, also we have a dual front facing camera on the Infinix Zero 8i inside this punch hole compared to a single front facing camera inside this punch hole on the center on the Poco X3 NFC. And you can see, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application we have is the phone dialer, and you can see that is about the same on both phones, no difference there. The settings, and that is again exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. And guys, I can feel the 120Hz refresh rate madness on the Poco X3 NFC compared to a 90Hz, which more looks like a 60Hz against the 120Hz on the Poco X3 NFC. Amazon shopping on both phones, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And you can see that both phones is perform about the same as you can see. Let's see the scrolling, and feels more smoother on the Poco X3 NFC thanks to a 120Hz refresh rate display compared to a 90Hz on the Infinix Zero 8i. And now let's see some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga, and launching at the same time. And you can see that the Infinix Zero 8i it is faster there, but at the end, and Poco X3 NFC it is little bit faster there if I'm not wrong, followed by the Infinix Zero 8i. Now let's see Instagram on both phones, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And that is little bit faster on the Infinix Zero 8i. Now let's see the Snapchat, and that was exactly the same on both phones. And you can see, now let's see the Subway Surfer, and that is little bit faster on the Infinix Zero 8i as you can see. Let's see, and you can see it is faster there, while the Poco X3 NFC it is also right behind there as you can see. Very surprising result. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and let's see who is going to be the fastest one this time in the last game application. And you can see that the Infinix Zero 8i it is faster there. And you can see Infinix Zero 8i it is completely done, followed by the Poco X3 NFC. So now let's opening up the Twitter, and that is little bit faster on the Infinix Zero 8i. So now let's see Zedge application on both phones, and again little bit faster, I would say about the same on both phones. As you can see, you guys are judge of the speed test, and again and the scrolling it is looks more smoother on the Poco X3 NFC. Now let's see the YouTube on both phones. Let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And you can see on the Infinix Zero 8i it is faster there, followed by the Poco X3 NFC. And last, I'm launching the cameras on both phones, default camera app, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And you can see Infinix Zero 8i it is faster there, and followed by the Poco X3 NFC. And guys, now let's see the internet browsing speed. And guys, we have wikipedia.org on both phones, and guys, I am using the Google Chrome on both phones, and you can see a little bit faster on the Infinix Zero 8i, just a tiny bit faster there. Overall, I have to say about the same on both phones. Let's see the scrolling and feels more smoother on the Poco X3 NFC. And the next on the list is the apple.com, and you can see that Infinix Zero 8i, it is faster there, way faster there. For the Poco X3 NFC, now it is also done. Now let's see the scrolling, and again feels little bit more smoother on the Poco X3 NFC thanks to a 120Hz refresh rate display. So now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and guys, we have 8GB of RAM on the Infinix Zero 8i compared to 6GB phone dialer, and that is the refresh on the Poco X3 NFC. Let's see settings, that is again refresh. Amazon shopping, and that is refresh on both phones. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, and that is only refresh on the Zero 8i. Instagram, and refresh. Let's see Snapchat, that seems like refresh on both phones. Let me know in the comment section below. Subway Surfer, and that is refresh on both phones 100%. Let's see Temple Run 2, again refresh. And now let's check out the Twitter, and that is not refresh on both phones as you can see. And now let's see Zach, and that is refresh on the Zero 8i. YouTube, and that is not refresh. And last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see, and that is not refresh on both phones. And guys, overall I have to say, and the app's opening speed is little bit more faster on the Infinix Zero 8i as you can see in the game app loading time. But I have to say, and the Poco X3 NFC, it is also right behind to the Infinix Zero 8i, about half a second difference there in most of the application. And RAM measurement, it is very bad on both these two devices with 8GB of RAM compared to 6GB. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Poco X3 NFC versus the Infinix Zero 8i. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.